5. I am glad to help you in expanding your knowledge through this lesson. So the topic for today is simple past and past continuous tenses. The aim of our lesson is to use simple past and past continuous tenses to describe events in the past. The key words that we will be dealing today are simple past and past continuous indirect.
Students, I am going to show you some action or some pictures on the slide. So you are going to identify what is happening. You have to listen carefully. You have to look at the picture also carefully. So shall we start? Yes. So you can see a person walking here, and I'm making a sentence that I went for a walk yesterday morning. In the second picture you can see somebody is eating something, a boy is eating something. So I had my breakfast yesterday morning. Look at the sentence also very carefully. I had my breakfast yesterday morning. The third picture, what is happening? Yes, he's watching the TV, right? Yes, let's make a sentence. I was watching a movie at 10 a.m. yesterday. Next sentence is he's having. Yes, I was having lunch at 1 p.m. yesterday. Once again, I'll read the sentences. I went for a walk yesterday morning. I had my breakfast yesterday morning. I was watching a movie at 10 a.m. yesterday. I was having lunch at 1 p.m. yesterday. Now dear students, I'm going to make all these sentences into different columns. You can see there are 6 sentences. I'm going to make it into 2 columns based on some criteria. Let's learn the criteria later. I went for a walk in the morning. That comes in the first column. I had my breakfast in the morning. That also comes in the first column. Then I played in the evening. So these sentences come in the first column. Let's see other 3 sentences. I was watching a movie at 10 a.m. yesterday. I was having lunch at 1 p.m. yesterday. I was watching TV at 4 p.m. yesterday. So I give you a few minutes, look at the sentence and identify something similar and different. I'm going to ask you questions. Yes, let's move on. Now, how are the sentences in the 2 columns same and different? You must have noticed some similarity and some difference. Yes, sentences in both columns speak about something that happened in the past. So, both sentences are talking about something that happened in the past. So, the similarity is that they speak something that happened in the past. Yes, now let's see the difference. We use had, watched, played, etc. to talk about an action that had already been completed. We use had, watched, played, etc. to talk about an action that had already been completed. Example, I watched a film yesterday. So these sentences are written in simple past. So look at the sentence and the explanation once again. Example, I watched a film yesterday. These sentences are written in simple past. We also saw a few examples in the activity. So they are called simple past. Now, we use was having, was playing, was watching, etc. to talk about an action that was happening at a particular time. Example, I was watching a movie at 5 p.m. yesterday. So these sentences are written in past continuous. So what is the difference? In the second sentence, that is in the past continuous, we see that an action that was happening at a particular time. That is why time is mentioned there. 5 p.m., 4 p.m. in the evening, 5 a.m. in the morning, like that. The time is mentioned clearly. So they are called past continuous. Let's see a few examples. So shall we fill the sentences accordingly? Which one is the simple past tense here? The first one or second one? Yes, the first one. So I played cricket yesterday. So this is called simple past. I was playing cricket at 9 a.m. yesterday. This is called past continuous. Why it is past continuous? Yes, in the second sentence, it is mentioning about a particular time that happened in the past. That is 9 a.m. yesterday. So that is why we call it as past continuous. Now we can use simple past and past continuous together in a sentence. Oh, that is a good idea. We can use both the simple past and past continuous in one sentence. Let's see when we can use it. When two past actions happened at the same time, as you can see in the picture, you are having lunch and at the same time you are getting a call. So when two past actions happened at the same time and one action interrupted the other. So two actions are happening at the same time. All of a sudden, one action interrupted the other action. That time we can use both the sentences. So these actions that had happened in the past. That is also important. These actions that had happened in the past. So I was having lunch when you called me. So can you see two actions? I was having lunch is one action and you called me is the second action. So while I was having lunch, it was interrupted due to the call. Did you understand? Then we call it as we use the like this. We use both the simple past and past continuous in the same sentence. Let's see another example. I was doing the homework when the bell rang. I was doing the homework when the bell rang. So the first action is I was doing homework. The second action is when the bell rang. So let's see which action interrupted. Which is the action that interrupted the first action? Yes, it is the bell rang. So this is the interrupted action. So like this we can use simple past and past continuous in the same sentence. I hope you understood.
I perceive that you have understood the lesson and this learning experience was useful and informative. Have a nice day and stay safe. Thank you.